Throwing money out the window. Understanding idiomatic expressions in English. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a fascinating phrase that you might have heard in English conversations. Throwing money out the window. It's a colorful expression that captures a particular behavior towards money. Let's explore what it means, how to use it, and some examples to help you understand it better. Whether you're learning English as a second language or just curious about idiomatic expressions, this video is for you. The phrase, throwing money out the window, is an idiom in English. Idioms are expressions where the meaning isn't directly related to the individual words. So, when someone says they're throwing money out the window, they don't mean they are literally tossing cash out of a window. Instead, it's a metaphorical way to say that someone is spending money wastefully or on things that are not necessary, resulting in financial loss without any gain. 1. Contexts. This phrase is often used in casual conversations or discussions about finances. It can be a light-hearted way to criticize one's own or others' spending habits. 2. Examples. 3. Buying a new phone every year is like throwing money out the window, especially when the old one works fine. 4. Paying for a gym membership you never use is just throwing money out the window. Understanding the context and how to use the phrase will help you incorporate it into your conversations naturally. Learning idioms like throwing money out the window is crucial for language learners because it helps in understanding native speakers better and enriches your conversational skills. Idioms often reflect cultural values and attitudes. In this case, the value of being prudent with money. Knowing idioms can also make your English sound more fluent and natural. We hope this video sheds some light on the meaning and usage of throwing money out the window. Idioms are a fun and essential part of learning English, offering insights into the culture and making your conversations more colorful. Remember, the key to mastering idioms is practice and exposure. Keep listening to native speakers, reading, and, of course, watching our videos for more insights into the English language. Happy learning, and see you in the next video.